I wanted to show you guys my AR-15 that I got right there. It's the Smith & Wesson M&P Sport 2. And today we're going to switch out this handle right here. I got this one from Magpul right here. And basically it's just a different color and has a storage compartment on the bottom. So this is just going to be a quick video. We're going to put this Magpul pistol grip on the AR. So there's the grip itself. Get that little bottom piece opened up. And there's that storage compartment I was talking about. You can throw, I don't know, some ammo, miscellaneous items in there. Lock it back up. Comes with one screw. And I believe the only tool you're going to need is an Allen wrench. It's a 3/16. And it's going to have to be kind of long enough to get into the handle. It does come with some instructions as well, if you guys want to pause on that. But I'm just going to get into it, just so everyone can see the gun is not loaded as well. There are no bullets in the chamber, as you can see. I'm mainly doing this just to change the color of the grip. But we're going to try to get it without the spring popping out. Boom. Comes right off. There's that little spring I was talking about, along with the screw in the washer. I think I'm going to use the screw they gave me, but I'm going to use the washer that was in there. Then we're going to put this one on. Don't forget the spring. Make sure the spring's right in that little, there's a little notch for it. Make sure you get it nice and snug. Put that cap on. And there we go. That was basically it. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. And like I said, I mainly went for it just for the color. I'm going to make the gun pretty much black and gray. I am going to be changing out the barrel here and also adding one of these little grips right here to the front. This doesn't upgrade the performance or anything like that unless, you know, it feels better in your hand because of the grip. Like I said, I will be dressing this gun up some more. If you guys want to follow my videos, stay tuned for more on this gun. And if you guys like the video, please leave a thumbs up. Helps my channel out. Subscribe for more videos like this. I also do other videos on other hobbies and things I'm into. So check out my other videos as well. And I'll see you guys on the next one.